Any student who's interested in business, you really should be looking at our program because of the diversity of courses that we offer and all of the extras that we have. The economics department here offers a wide variety of majors and minors. We have a straight-up economics program, and then we have a business economics program.
So having the business program housed in the School of Arts and Sciences rather than a School of Business is very helpful for students to get a more well-rounded education.
Our business economics major, being in the arts and sciences, actually allows our students to get not just the core business program that they would in a business school, but we scaffold in all the economics that is the underlying cause of why businesses are making their decisions.
We have environmental economics, we have behavioral economics, we have feminist economics, we have Keynesian economics. There's very few that provide that type of pluralistic approach to economics. And our professors are not only teaching in that, they also do research in that. So it's a huge strength of SUNY Cortland is that diversity.
I work as the Director of Financial Planning and Analysis at Gudges Lumber. I actually started here as an intern when I was a student at SUNY Cortland. I think SUNY Cortland gives you a very strong foundation. I had courses in accounting, finance, and economics, statistics. And so when I got into the workforce, I had this broad foundation. So just a multidisciplinary background that really helped and added a lot more value to the company. The work that I do makes a difference. It impacts decisions, it impacts the 550 employees that we have. Whenever I present information, I hope it leads to better decisions.
We encourage every student to have not just one internship, but multiple internships. Students can use an internship as an upper level elective within our major. So they'll have credit for the major, but if they do additional internships, they get elective credits. So they're building towards graduation by doing their internships and having that practical experience. We have our Bloomberg terminals where students can become Bloomberg certified, and you'll be able to put your resume out there and all of the businesses will be looking at your resume. And you've already built the skills for finance trading.
We have a wonderful program with wonderful professors. It's rigorous and will prepare you well for going out into the job market. Cortland itself and our department, I think, is a very supportive, open, engaging department that supports the students and provides a lot of opportunities to them.